Okay, we're gonna go over Abdul's PR. What about you? What about you, Victor? How's everything? Victor's on mute. Okay.
Okay, I can go
Oh,
then.
yeah.
I can share my screen. It was a really small fix,
Hmm.
but let me. Can you see my screen?
Almost.
Okay, cool. Okay, so this was the PR that just got merged, which was basically autodiff and pre-compute merge for multiple files was not working
Hmm.
properly. So before, what was happening was that the diff view that we had was not appearing for some files because the editor model was not yet ready, and then the because the editor was not ready, and then tried to apply the diff view, it was not working. But then after this change, it was basically um, adding a retry queue to use AI file actions, and then if the AI model is not ready, then the diff request is now saved, and then there was a logic fix for parallel merge calculations as well. So it was a really small change. So here, there's a logic change here, and then yeah, if there's a pending, then we are saving it to we're saving the diff view here, and then here as well. So it was a really small change that Abdul fixed. So and then there are a couple of other bugs that he is working right now,
Hmm.
which is basically when you generate a code block in the GitWit AI chat, it shows you a file path, but that file path doesn't do anything. I mean, before we updated the AI chat to show diff views properly, the file path would actually, if you click on it, it would lead
Yeah.
to it
Hmm.
would open the file tab actually.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
he will be adding that as well.
Nice.
It will, and then the change is all only adding socket events and then replying to those. And then there was another issue with the file list that we show when the diffuse is applied. So when the diffuse is applied to multiple files, then then there are a file list that you see. I can just show it right now, and then just I can just show what I'm talking about so that it's pretty clear. So that should be fixed as well. Okay. Okay, so we're getting some issues over there. I need to look into it.
Let's see what's happening. An error occurred.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
when did it? This is on production.
Yes.
When did that happen? Oh, is that must have been from the PR?
I think so. But the PM was not changing anything sensitive. It was just a few.
Can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Yeah.
I don't think this issue is because of the PR. I have noticed this issue previously, and I
Okay. Yeah.
also
Exactly.
told that the coin is still not working. I think this is from the this is from the bedrock, I think.
Okay. Okay. We'll have to look into this.
Oh, what? Yeah, we should create an issue because what's happening is there's an error message that's not getting propagated.
Yeah.
Um, the specific message is omitted. Oh, so maybe we just need to go to Vercel.
The Vercel. Yeah. Exactly.
So here, I have it open right now. I'll go to the logs. We can see right
Okay.
away. So I just saw 1 minute to go. No errors. Okay, I see one thing.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I do see something with Bedrock. Here, let me share this.
Okay.
Let me make sure there's nothing sensitive here on this screen. This error is from 1 minute ago, so it looks plausible. Okay, here and there. Move. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, two errors, but debug. So
Okay. There it is. No content generated, and then
from AI
uh,
model.
we don't
Great.
we
We
cannot
cannot
see
read.
the yeah
Ah,
because the camera's over there. Okay, yeah, that's better. Uh, okay.
no content generated.
This We got this issue once before, and it was fixed a little while ago. Then I think we are having this issue again.
Yeah.
You're saying that it's an intermittent issue on AWS.
Yeah, remember I once told you that AWS is not working on my side, and we discussed that I you will give me a new keys because at that time it was working on production.
Did the new
I
keys
think
help?
no, you did not provide me new keys yet.
But so the new keys didn't I mean, so I didn't provide you with new keys, but doing nothing fixed it. Or not, or
Yeah,
it never got fixed.
no, we got this issue a little back, and it
Yes.
was fixed before. It was working on production,
It fixed
and now
itself.
yeah,
Did it fix itself for your keys?
yeah. I think it got fixed. It got fixed by itself.
For your keys too. Okay. Then yeah, then that's the most likely case because this is like just like this isn't like API key error. This
Yeah.
looks like
Yeah.
the API key authenticated, and then um, probably AWS is just having a bad morning. Great.
Okay. So
Well,
I just tried it with OpenAI API key setting. I set it up with
yeah,
GitWit, and then that works properly. It's just I think it's a problem with AWS Bedrock.
this is what we're spending our $20,000 on in credits.
Exactly. GPT models work well, so
You want to? Can you share your screen?
yeah, yeah, yeah. I can. I can show the whole thing. What I was talking about. Okay. I'm gonna do a new chat here and add a timer here. And there it is. Okay. I think it did apply to no. Okay, it did apply here in the app.tsx. Okay, and then I'll do the same. Okay, so the problem here was now we have auto apply on, so the problem is not visible here, but when the auto apply was off before, we would see a list here that you can accept or reject from the changes that will be made by a GitWit agent. You would see a list of files here that
Uh
are
huh.
changed, and then you can accept or reject it. And basically, the bug was that the list is not consistent. So that is all that was being fixed by
I
observer.
remember.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I think because we have auto apply on. I think that doesn't matter that much right now.
I see. Okay, well, yeah, this is good to know. That we should try and test this and try and break it again.
Okay, yeah.
One
So
other thing, Abdul. This is minor, but if you scroll up, we don't really need the file name twice, like at the top, right? Just
Yeah.
one small thing. Yeah, but otherwise, great work.
Yeah. And here, this is what I was talking about. I mean, if we're using the file name here, then it should be clickable to open the tab here. I know it is opening the tab automatically right now, but if there are multiple files that needs to be changed, then by clicking on here, whichever we choose, here or here, um, by clicking on this, it should open the tab here. I think here we can just, instead of the file name, we can just specify the programming language here, like TypeScript or something. And then because this is markdown rendering, and then here we can just put in a link that is properly markdown
Well,
rendered to be a link.
how does cursor do it?
So cursor, oh, I need to look into it actually. um, Add a new tool. Okay.
Or does cursor still even? I think cursor looks different now. It like doesn't even
Yeah,
show this.
exactly. It is very
But
different now.
but I found here I'll show you a screenshot of how it used to look in cursor. I do think that it, as from a UI perspective, is this not like an old cursor? I'm not sure. Oh no, this is, yeah, this maybe. But I think from a UI
Yeah.
perspective, putting stuff in the title bar makes more sense.
Yeah.
Look at the way they did it. They did it with an icon to show the programming
The
language.
Yeah, yeah.
Like
Okay, yeah,
that
I'm
looks
seeing it
pretty
right
good.
now.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, we can do that actually. And then it's still clickable though. And then if you click on it,
Yeah, sure.
it
Yeah.
opens the
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Cool. Okay, yeah, I think that we should go down that path then.
Sounds good.
Okay, so this is where we are at right now. The next thing will be not the next thing, but the current thing. What I am doing is just refactoring some code around with the AI chat. I didn't get time from the start of the week, but the weekend will be exactly me doing all of that. So I'll have an update on next meeting.
Cool. Awesome.
Yep, that's everything from my side.
Let's see. From Victor. I just asked Victor if he has any update. Okay, he says not yet. Okay. We're free to go.
Okay.